Hello everybody. This video is going to really highlight what the shared button is all about within Google Docs and Google Slides and Google Sheets. This button you will see appears in each of those areas and is all the same. So once we learn it once, we should be able to apply it to the different apps within Google Apps for Education. So first we'll show you if we click on the share button, you hover over it, will tell you it's shared with one person, this link is shared with other people, and we'll kind of get into that. So we'll click on the share button. You have your options here where you can share it with individuals by typing in their email address. As you can see, this is shared with Donald O'Haney. If I click in here and I start to click on people, they will get added to this document as I go. You can choose to have them edit it, comment, or view it. If you want them only to view and can't make any changes, that's the option you would pick. Another way to share documents is to share them via a link, and that's what this button right up here will do. By clicking on this button here, you will bring up this box. The options will default to off, only with people who have access, which refers to the people down here. But by clicking on this, you can choose to share it with anyone in the Waldock District with the link, can edit, can view, or comment. Now let's say you wanted to share this with parents or the outside world. You would then click on more here, and then that would give you these other options. For a public web, anyone with a link. This is the one that I use a lot when sharing different links with parents and through Twitter or through blogs, wherever it may be. Within the Waldock School District can find it or access it, and you can see and read just the different options. It defaults to off. For this example, we're going to click it on, and anyone with the link, and then as you can see, you have that option down here again where people can view it or they can edit or comment. Most of the time, if you're sharing a link, you're probably going to want it as view only. And you hit save. Where does that link go? Well, that link is actually right here, this whole thing, or they have a quick copy link button, which you can click on here, copy the link. Sometimes you see these little pop-ups on Google telling you what it just did. We won't bother Mr. Clancy, we'll delete him from that, and we'll hit done. Now let's say you wanted to paste that in to a document. Now here is your hyperlink to this Google document that we're using. This is ugly, in my opinion. Who wants to see all this big lettering? So what you can do is when you click on it, it gives you a little pop-up down here where you can change or remove. If you hit change, you can now click up here where the text will display. Click on that, highlight it all, and say test doc for sharing. And we hit apply, and now you can see you've made a hyperlink, test doc for sharing. And if I click on that, it will go directly to this page on a new tab. So this share button is really important. It will be used a lot as you transition to the world of Google Apps for Education. But once we get a hang of this and understand how it works, it's going to be a great resource. So I hope this video was helpful. Again, sharing documents using the button, whether it be a link or with individuals.